Yeah. Truth-telling time. Treaty's family. Teacher Monina. Truth-telling time Dakoba on YouTube. You yourself, you can see that nowadays, the juvenile death is very high. You and I witnessed. Yeah, you say, now saying, and I said, these days, youth are dying. Youth are dying in accident, whatever, suicide, and the coming in. But I will tell you that it is the nature. The nature. Okay? If you don't fear nature, you will not fear anything again. Nature. If you don't fear nature, there is nothing else that you can fear. Nature is just. Nature is pure. And the nature is fair. Nature doesn't like cheating. Nature. I don't know how for friend and Yankopono. I know how for friend of God. I don't know nature. No. I the amount of friend of God. And your friend of nature. When you throw a ball to the wall, it comes back to you. And to every action, there is equal and opposite reaction. What do I say? To every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Many youth are dying because they have no fear for the nature. Many youth are dying because they have no fear for the nature. They do whatever pleases them. Youth, especially we the youth, we think that the way we feel strong in our body, the way we can carry the whole world. Nti abrante ti bi de nesansi na bo se afa we die se manye ye a di abesi no ebesi. Youth, a young man can put hand on the chest and say that this year, if I don't prosper, what will happen will happen. Bema to wasi. Bojidi fun. Asagoma. Bojidi. Nakabaglono ma. Keke mo do fofon. Nature. Ewu de kakwi. Ewu de tubo gede. Nukata. Why? Why? We attract the curse to ourselves by deceiving ladies. The cap with oku nukata o dongbane the to be ade omete zonreji. They have promised a lady if they can no obedi anything wanji yefunu abranti bi kwache ona besie bi no wa promising so wo de ma waro I will marry you. Ne obawi no de na dwenyi na e de di abrante na chi no obawi o de na kuma nyina e de ama abrante no obawi kra asan koto ade de e de ba che abrante no sa abrante ji sa de na no de kocho oba hofro. So you want to live and you want to live like your forefather. It's not today that we are to live longer than the people of the past. Nowadays, look at the cars we have to travel. Nowadays, look at the type of medicine we have in the hospitals. But it is we who can live longer. Why? Because we don't fear nature. If you were a young man, and you have pregnated somebody's daughter, you know that it is you, and you don't collect that pregnancy. I am telling you that if you don't take care, you will not live long. I am telling you that if you have pregnated somebody's daughter and you reject it, knowingly that that pregnancy belongs to you, le nyambo fuma ye to manye mokofo le gbefua da kona nyon vianto hi me blono na ma ponyo ma gbeno ma bedi nogo. If you don't take care, you will not live longer. You reject the pregnancy. You know that it is for you. You have pregnated that lady. And you see that it is not you. And the lady cried. She said, Bema, go and beg. Go and beg her and take the pregnancy. Even if you don't have a work to do, you don't have money, do your best. Do your best and watch over that pregnancy. If not, nature will deal with you. I am not cursing anybody this morning, but I know the message I am sending to the youth. Yo, stop attracting curse onto yourself, especially with the men, especially breaking the hearts of the ladies. Only one guy, you have a lot of girlfriends. Do you know how? At first, ladies work. Oba say, oh baby, no talk with you. Lady can go buy orange, go and sell, bring the money, buy singlet for a guy. But nowadays, you will no more see those things because the girls have repented. They have changed because we were not treating them well. We are not treating them well. Oh, yeah, Brantie. And obi ba. That is the case number one. And it has killed thousands of youth. You wouldn't know. Thousands of youth are suffering because of that thing. Reject. You pregnated somebody's daughter and you have rejected the pregnancy that it is not you. Knowing that it is you, you say it is not you. Thousands, millions of youth are suffering because of that thing. Millions of youth got accidents because of things like that. I know what exactly I'm talking about. Nature will kill you simple. Will kill you simple. Good. Hey! Obinaba. Yes, Abrantie. There's such a guy. The girlfriend asked him to come and visit her in the house. Reaching, going to the house, the boy saw that the girl's mother and a sugar mommy, the girl's brother, or over a girl, the girl's father, a doctor, on a man for back on abortion. The girl's sister, the new girl watching. Do you know how? If there's a funeral, in the area for a branch no wakoto condom that they are sharing a bottom. As somebody can say one thing, he will say that anything can happen. He doesn't know where he's going to be. Oh, you crying. Are you a dog or are you a goat? Oh, you're punching. And now you're crying. Na condom show. Saying that you don't know what will happen, so you are prepared. Sebi, wait, Jimmy, what it? People, but as son said, you will not come and catch you like this for people to see. If you don't fear nature, you will not fear anything again in life. If you don't fear nature, there is nothing more you will fear. There is nothing more you will fear. So be careful. Be careful. Be careful. Abrantie. Oba bonesan. And fanenda. Don't sleep with her. the lady has menstruated. If you continue sleeping with menstruated ladies, and yet dear, obey yeda, you will never prosper. Me na me come chiro. Eye natural thing. We enye obi na nchechire. Eye natural. Sleeping with menstruated ladies, Bema, you will die young. You will die younger. You will die young. You can't live long. I know what I'm saying. A lot of youth are dying because of something nobody see. The nature is always present. Nature, he is always present, looking at you 24/7. You alone and the lady were in a room. When you slept with her, the pregnancy comes, you say it is not you. It is not you. Nature saw you. The lady says it is you. You say it is not you. And the girl started crying. From your house, she says, already demands some money. Bema, if you know the power, the energy she has sent out onto you, you will kneel down before her and beg. You see, no matter how strong you are, you cannot carry. I before everybody said, a kota baja, makpana vivo. Kota baja, makpana vivo. No matter how large your chest is, you can't carry 2 babies at a time. No matter how large your chest is, you can't carry 2 babies. Be careful the way you live your life. Be careful the way you live your life. You can't send your French come say, pour vivre heureux, vivons cachés. Also, to me, live like a stranger. What you say? Live your life like a stranger. Don't think that you can do all by yourself. The youth, don't think you can do it all by yourself. Bra once. Nothing paying for my photo. Never bra. You want another practice be. So you know a foreign practice. And we the black too, we have adopted. Ebinedi fellatio and cunnilingus. Se abranti. Ona o girlfriend we yiri ekoshia. Sebio adi se otafre na se ansan. Abrofoma ye. Watch your pornography. Watch your bebre. You watch a lot of it in pornography. So when you are also meeting your wife or your girlfriend, you lick hey, otafre na se ansan. Na one another. Bema minia. Shewo hunye. Yanuwe ekutatumi. Baby biodo wanu konono. With that mouth, you can't control, you cannot command for the nature to obey. You can't command. Umpai bi ani hobo boa abaye djuma. Because baby biodo we take some konono. Enye. Oh, sati bi anemu ajai. Ye. Che. Mamemo one trick. Youth, youth, and now share pornography with your girlfriend. You are killing you, the boy, you, the man. You are killing yourself. If you are a guy, boy, and you watch pornography with your girlfriend or with your wife, you are killing yourself. Do you know why? In the pornography, you will see that they do it for a very long time. So when the girl sees that thing, she will also want you to do it for a very long time for her. But do you know something? Do you know something? Pornography, only say dating. Only say dating. They do it small, piece, and they have joined it to make a full movie. So as you are seated watching it for 1 hour, they did not do it for 1 hour. They didn't do it for 1 hour. They do it piece, and they have joined it all. But as your partner sitting beside you saw it like that, if you are not able to do it 30 minutes, she says you are not good. There, she will start looking for another guy who can do that 1 hour for her. And you are in the process of losing your love. Bema. Ayo. But say me, Sister Dakoba. When I see the truth, I will not keep it for myself. Sebi, data will be biao. Many sponsor biao. No sponsor. Me told me data. To me bibia abetre. Me brea. Na makoda. Na arrested. No sponsor. Yet I have devoted myself to do this work. Stop watching pornography with your partner. If you want a star, watch it alone. If she does not know anything about it at all, and if you are able to do 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, she will appreciate it. But when she has seen that somebody in a movie could do it for 2 hours, 3 hours, and you 1 hour you can't do, there's a trouble. Be careful. Girls, Messiafo, they valorize their body. Girl, Messiafo, they don't even know the values of their body. Besia, enya besianti, bema beti nyako ye duma. Nyonu da, ntu teve wana do, aboga. Ande koma obana busianfo, akoye no hwanye. Because of Oba, bema beti nyache come for 1 hour to gather money and go and marry. Because of Obanti, bema beti nya kipisika, adi akoto phone, adi amano. Bema oni credit on the phone so kura because of Oba, bema timi pesika. No akoto credit edi go Obana phone so. But our sisters, our mothers, our aunties, they don't know the values of who they are. Bema, ukuta, yefan said $1,000. And I'm Robert's cheap Bema we say, but just $1,000 if in someone. I just say you boo Bema we. Unless they beat this guy to the stand before the armed robbers will be able to collect the money from him. But Obabisia or the Nanukeke or but just $1,000 in a simple. What from? Bravo. Me rent the mintia you. Open so also open me, but me hunshi. No, why ye? I yen one Bema. Wow, the Beman. You will give it to her. Ladies are special. That is how they are created. That is what Bema. Mienu. Otimihu obaba kwa no ma clash. We sheneti. We social bana na oma clash. Bema timidi obechi. Obaneko. And the boy will be following the lady. Obane jina no so wajina. No adenesanshi na button. I saw in a phone. Obwa on hey. Obana to aso no atwaso. Obana bukeva no we bukev. Or the tunic can not change. But ladies don't know this value for they themselves. Sharing their body to Kwabena, Kwami, Alaji, Alasan, Omunina, Omu Bonibi. Eh? Sebi. I a tree for Omo friend Aketesia. Kata Ohusie. And excuse me, sebi. Mpefo mo manya video ya hwe ne nyina. Manu da fo. Sebi pediasa. Mesiafo mo ade no. Akanfo, ashantifo mo fene de. Kain. Eye kain. Fa kain no ra ba bo na huka. No de amano. Eye kain. Kain o. Ade no. Mo ade no. Bo ho no. Your friend de. Kain, eye kain. Anye twa. Eye kain. Fa kain no ra. Ade also fa twa no ra no. Na wa che no saa no. Ade o ka also fa to ho. Ne fa twa no ra no. Put it down for the owner. Anu na wodi ache, wodi achiche ama. Nti no ra okobo no huka na ofa de na afi onfa anya hwe. What you say? Nti ashantifo de, omoni mditu. Ashantifo aketesia kata wo sie. So what you say? Kata wo sie. Ade no your friend den chain. So what you say? Manu da fom. Mpemfo mo fan chemi. Why? Mo fan chemi. Your friend chain. Ade also fan chain no. Ana o de bogala no. So you don't know the value of yourself. You don't know the values of yourself. Obabisia. What the abortion away? Nature will kill you. I am telling you. You will die a death. You yourself. You will die settled death. You will think about it. You will never understand it. No. Let me come in. Se bibia ye pese yen practice bi. Bibia ye hu bia ye pese yen practice. Kono ko practice. Obewu bia. Wa obedwen wa anya de obeti ase. And at times so lack of parental guide and guiding and a hydrate. Parental guiding. Obi oho, lady bi oho. Time na mama she kitchen a oye duane no. Ono so tie. Sitting ono say a hall. Or hwe kunkum badia. Some ladies, the time your mother is in the kitchen cooking, what's your boyfriend say? Oh, what's up? And you my lady netui. And then call yaba social media yeda. Bayedena yabo brapa. Bayedena yanyo odopa. Eye nukrew. Yen yaba na nyuno. Sap. Eye nukrew. You don't know anything. Wasting your time on unnecessary things. Nature kill nature kill billions of youth for their misconduct, for their behavior. You will go on so soon. You will go so soon. See, oh ye youth, show me, oh ye bema. Make sure don't reject a pregnancy that you yourself you are aware that it is for you. Never reject it. Never reject a pregnancy that you yourself you are aware. If you don't like her, why do you have to sleep with her? Why do you have to live with her? Pregnancy never bema e obusuanfo onkon obana busuafo nche na yenkoye amamre no says before marriage enya boni eye ba wo na be kire sa de no New Testament na kire sa say says before marriage enya boni enya boni obebia pregnancy never oye obana ho de na wale no onwale no mpokura pregnancy ne de jitu say odia watch over it. When you reject it and the ladies speak evil against you, it shall work. Open your ko shabluchi. Open to form no ko shame a big witchy. Be careful the way you live your life. And cupidity. sikape, sikado. Ye youth ayaba. We want to get money at all costs. We want to have money. We want to get money at all costs. Abranti, some kill human being to get money. Some of them, they don't kill. They will make you a fool. Why you're Jimmy? No, or do I to a damn no, oh, face come no. Abranti, Mimia, what is that? Tibia we moi. What is tibia we be moi? You are attracting curse upon yourself. Be careful. Money is good. Money is good. But mind the way you look for it. Mind the way you look for it. In my community, Papa Biwaha, they be a mahuna and the infant. Papa no, say or you disabled. Disabled, the part back on the sun and night anyway. But still, or J contract, no door with only one hand. Not the door. Obi say, or yes, Admano. Wow, 2 hands there. You don't want to work. You want money to come to you anyhow you like. Sir. Ebusian. Nature has killed thousands, billions of youth for these things. Be careful the way you live your life. Ebusian, menemon kasanche. Mejamu aha. Bra Willie. Yeah. Sida me kan no. Oh, mbwa bia. Fabra na yenko yini. Madamo nyina se. Madamo se pa. Se motimi anyambre. Omahwe we. Through telling time Dakoba our YouTube subscribe. Nenya update. Tambia. Anya video bia na ye on Facebook. Anya video bia na me yo no ha. Ebi o straight to YouTube. Anti one subscribe anya de obahu. Anti yen subscribe ne yenyina yenko yini. Madamo nyina se. Se eneso motimi anyambre. Nyame adoma. Yebesiamba na fufru na yedin komo. Truth telling time is up. Treaties family. I love you all and I greet you all. Bye bye.